Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to enable Do Not Disturb in your OPPO A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. All you have to do is go to setting in your OPPO A5s mobile phone. Okay, click settings. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and okay, here below you can see the do not disturb. Okay, all you have to do is click the do not disturb. And okay guys, here in do not disturb, okay, you can see the enable manually. So okay guys, on the right side you can see the switch button. Okay, all you have to do is turn on or click the switch button. Okay guys, when do not disturb is on, the phone will be put to silent mode, okay, with no vibration except for alert you have permitted. And a moon symbol will also be shown on the status bar. Alarm clock and countdown timer will not be mute. Okay guys, the do not disturb is on your OPPO A5s. So okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.